Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. 14-inch basket filled with Swell Well Compost, and we're going to put 5 plants in that are going to flower non-stop right through until October. First is a gorgeous Diascia, and the Diascias that are available now are fantastic. This is Diascia Divara Salmon. Flowers non-stop right through until October, and we're going to put it as a triller in the middle of the basket. So right down in the center of the basket, Diascia Divara Salmon. Lovely plant, lovely soft colour, and will keep flowering. You don't need to deadhead it, it looks after itself. And then 2 Super Bells Unique Orange. Again, will spill out of the basket, flower non-stop right through until October, and with the Diascia it'll look fantastic. With that bright orange against the salmon is just gorgeous. So 2 of these either side of the Diascia. It's very simple planting, and will give you colour right through until October. So Super Bells Unique Orange on the other side. All reliable. And then 2 Nemesia Little Banana. And Nemesia Little Banana, yellow flowers, dainty flowers like that, right through until October. And against the salmon and the orange will be just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just 2 of those. So 5 plants, all settled in Swell Well Compost. Swell Well Compost, 12 months slow release fertilizer, and a wetting agent. So our second little Nemesia then as well, Nemesia Little Banana. So that's 2 Nemesia Little Banana, and 2 Super Bells Orange, and in the middle that lovely Diascia Divara Salmon. And Diascia Divara Salmon, lovely, perfect salmon colour. They'll all grow through each other. The Diascia will give a little bit of height in the centre, and the rest will all spill out non-stop flower until October. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.